Hello everyone, I'm Andrew McClendon, and today I bring you Hedera. I'll be sharing 3 simple things about this crypto: market information, the news, and a price prediction at the end. Let's begin. Hedera, guys, with the ticker HBAR, is currently sitting at 43 cents, with a huge market cap at 6.5 billion. But before getting in Hedera, what is it? Hedera is the most used sustainable enterprise-grade public network for decentralized economy that allows individuals and businesses to create powerful decentralized applications known as dApps. It is designed to be a fairer, more efficient system that eliminates some of the limitations that older blockchain-based platforms face, such as slow performance and instability. So let's see what markets that we can trade this on, guys. It's on Binance, KuCoin, Huobi Global, Gate.io, Bittrex, Huobi Global, let's see, KuCoin, Bitstamp, OKX, ooh man, OKCoin, Upbit. So they're on a bunch of different platforms, guys. They have a lot of liquidity, a lot of volume. So if you're trading or hodling this, that is available. So let's check out their ratings, guys. So the ratings as of October 25th, 2019 from Symmetry, they get a C+, and also a double B from Positive Outlook. If you guys want those reports, I have it linked below so you guys can scan through them and read them. Now let's check the news. There's actually an article that just came out 3 hours ago. So just go to here, Hedera News. Let's read that article. So Hedera's hashgraph new grant wants to change the way you invest. So if you guys want the full article by News BTC, here it is, guys, link below. Please check that out. Now let's check out their webpage, hedere.com. Check it out. Please, if you want to be in this cryptocurrency, I would say please read as much as you can. Educate yourself. Don't just jump in because of the hype or because it's posted or because of this video. Educate yourself, guys. Here's your Twitter page, guys. They have 170,000 followers on Twitter, and they post pretty regularly. So if you guys want to watch or read or talk to people on here, this is going to be a good platform to do that. Also, follow me on Twitter, Andre J. McClendon. I talk about politics, trading, investing, and I post all my YouTube videos on there too, so please check that out. But let's check out their Reddit page. They also are very active on here too, talk to people, learn more about this crypto. But now let's get to that price prediction, guys. So here is an updated version of my last video. I got a couple comments about this with the current price. So where HBAR is at, I will be doing the exact same plan, guys. It hasn't changed for me. I will be doing a price prediction at 50 cents. That's very key. I'll have multiple buy stops to head up to there, because right now the daily has been pretty much a little bit down, a little bit flat, and it might head down lower. If it continues up, it's going to hit my buy stop, and I hope that it continues higher, hits the hits the 50 cents level and continues. So if it hits that, I'm going to move my stop loss above my entry, locking in that trade and letting that trade run on, locking in those profits. If I'm wrong, which is fine, and it does go down lower, I will anticipate it to hit down to the 36th level or below. But if it does, I'll have a buy limit to catch that there going to the 50 cents level. The reason why I do that for this specific trade is because I don't want to get shaken out of my trade, and I want it to catch the momentum up. Because if you can tell, I look at the previous history, it goes up, slams down. That means people are taking profits, re-entering, buyers re-enter. It moves up, people take profits, exit down, take profits, re-enter, take profits, new entries or of new people or new buyers, but money's kicking in. You can see right here, money is being taken out and it's slowing down and it's being flat. So that means either the buys and sells are balancing, but if it heads down lower, it's going to hit my buy limit, and then I can see if we're getting onto this trend higher. And if it does that for option 2, my second thing that it does, if it does that and hits my entry, I'm going to move my stop loss above my entry, locking in that trade. So if it continues up to the 50 cents level, hit my buy stop, and I have 2 entries, and then I can stagger my stop losses above it so I can lock in that trade. Now, when it comes to hodling, guys, I use the same example I've done in other videos. If I had a job making $500 a week, I'll take $100 out of my paycheck and put it towards HBAR, just an example. And I'll do this every single Friday to remove the emotional aspect of trading, because a lot of people exit early, exit late, They have all these problems when it comes to trading, but trading is a business. You guys are going to be how you're going to enter, how you're going to exit, have plans for it, and remove the emotional part out of it. So once I've done that by entering every single set period and having a plan for when I'm going to exit and move my stop loss, then if it does if it does that with the current price, then I'm not surprised. It's according to plan. And if I'm wrong, guys, which happens in trading, I only risk 2.4% my entire position on these trades. So I'm not losing a lot when it comes to trading. Now, when it comes to hodling, I'll do the exact same tactic. Remember, entering on a set period. So if it heads down lower, enter on a set period. Remember, these are daily candlesticks. It was if these were just do 7, and so just do 5, and you can see where you enter every Friday. It's whatever period you set it for. But the price prediction I have is 50 cents. If you guys have any questions or comments about that, please drop them below. I'll get to you guys. We'll have that conversation. But price prediction, 50 cents. Now let's get to my website, guys. So my website, I did update it, guys. I added the cryptocurrency chat and stuff. So let's get to the crypto part. So if you guys want to talk to people on here, I will be in the chat talking also with new people. I just started it. Also, I have some of the big cryptos. You can actually put this into the charts, look at it, and have conversations. Just to open up our community so we can all have, so we all can talk about different cryptocurrencies, altcoins, new coins, NFTs, stuff like that. But guys, that's the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.